thereof they jump away in batch 1, the 2-year-old colts, geldings and fillies over the minimum 5 furlongs. Not the best of breaks, Corrientes, who's dropped in at the back of the field. At Smart Project, the early leader from Lapses, Lingwai, and in third place, Dark Humour. A couple of lengths to Sep starting, followed across to the straight. On the inside by Boundless Pa, white and blue colours of Blue Umbrella, and towards the back Corrientes relegates to the rear Samper 7. Straightening up, they're just almost at the halfway stage, and it is Smart Project out a couple of lengths in front of Lapsus Lingwai in the black and red jacket. Orange cap on the outside of Rory, clearly on board Dark Humour, and Boundless Power is making ground up towards the leaders, and towards the inside is Corrientes as they race with a little over a furlong to go, and Smart Project is quickening on, 4 lengths cleared if not more. Corrientes is staying on against the rail, and then Lapses Lingwai, but Smart Project is doing this very smartly indeed. Smart Project, Mark Gallagher for Kieran Cotter, with second Corrientes beaten 8-10 lengths, and then Boundless Power and Lapses Lingwai.
What's it by?